presence by my side, a melody that calls my name. You play my heart like a sweet refrain. When we dance, it's like a dream. Every heartbeat, a silent scream. Fighting battles in the dark, but your eyes, they spark a fire.
Yeah, guys, you don't know, at the car wash, doing a drive-through, getting the car clean. So you know, on the way, getting our kids from the school. So happy Friday, guys, to everyone. So stay tuned. Yeah, there's like a car cleanup, guys. You can see. No, life in Jersey, guys. Traffic, back to school, kids, everything. So, guys, I don't know, I'm carrying on showing a preview. Jersey night building. Alright. Yeah, mommy picking up his kids from school, guys. Yeah, stay tuned. More family vlog coming soon, guys. Great videos coming. So just like, share, and subscribe. Bringing us through a tour. Guys, in America, these are what you're scared of, okay? Those buses. You have to respect them. And if you break the rule, you're going to jail. Because that's how they said it. Once you see that stop sign, I'm telling you, that's respect right there. Okay. Yeah, at the red light. Going. The people, yeah. Yeah, guys. Family them come from school. And we have, who is that in the background? Oh. What? White Castle, guys. So that's the most unfavored food by me. White Castle, she liked the White Castle. So as you see, guys, we're going downtown. Yeah.
In the night where thoughts collide, I feel your presence.
Getting them kids. Life in America, it's nice if you make it nice. But you have to be nice. This is a good view, right? Yeah, guys, big boss them there. I call them the camel. These are the camels for America. They call them the transit. They bring you city to city for a penny. Not really a penny, but they have price on them. That's the name of them.
Love on the brain, it runs deep in the silence. The secrets we keep.
A few different shops out here. It's a few different shops out here. It's supposed to be free.
Hey guys, as you see it, this is on the outskirts of downtown. On a Friday, this is where they keep the Jamaican ceremony for independence, guys.
Right now they're doing African
for Jersey. African?
Yeah, Black Lives Matter.
That's city center. That's where you go to get all paperwork for your business, sign off and everything. Approval, everything. So
Donald
if you see...
Trump stopped Black History Month, but it's still going.
Well, he have his reason. I don't know what he do that for, but... you know. Those are private ambulance. Yeah, guys, so... don't know. Chase Bank. Big. That's money right there. Stop at the stop sign. Yeah, guys, we have to actually drive through the whole town, because you don't know. Reaching up at them school, hectic. Yeah, I said me and downtown, the guys, but we are drive past the main street. See them there? See them there? That's 7-Eleven, never close. Yeah, guys. Yeah, guys, so I just cut out the outskirt. You don't know, you have to know the trap. You have to know the trap, guys, because you don't know. Long time we in this. I'm busy, you know, them say what them do what them do. Not affect we up here, sir. Yeah, that ain't like cut. Alright, guys. So don't get it twisted. Yeah. Hello, ma'am. She ain't laughing. That sleep holding you down.
You take fair help.
Bank of America.
So they make you turn. You could turn down there, right?
Yeah, guys, this is how wish you get all sealed, fully loaded jewelry, non-stop. So, guy, one of them day, yeah, we guys gonna give you a tour of these tours and what they offer. These stores that say $1, don't let them trick you, guys. Nothing is for $1. They just put that. That's false advertisement. They're all fake. This is what you do, man. Let's see. See, S. That's a good store. S&A. Jewelry again. Pulling up. Pulling up, pulling up, pulling up.
A lot of drug Jim Jones.
Jim Jones usually do what?
Jim Jones used to come out to Patterson every year during the summertime and hold a basketball competition.
Oh, wow. And guys, the movie East Side Eye is where it happened.
It's lean on me, dude. Make this turn.
That's a military personnel right there. Just being funny.
Make this turn. Make sure you get how to get right to this loop without taking no extra care.
Yeah, guys, that's where you could go and chill. That's the Falls, Jersey Falls. That's a chill spot.
Beautiful when the water is rising. It's nice when the water rises up.
Yeah, guys, that's the falls right there. One day we're gonna take a tour. That's the falls. Back to it again. Traffic, guys, inside of town, outside of town, all clogged up.
Make sure you put solar panel on the thing right here.
Yeah, guys, we are chopping to it, choppy. Right, so the choppy there, car. Once we cut it to the choppy there, reach this the cars. This a traffic here. Crazy. I'm Billy. Yeah, guys.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. That is crazy.
Guys, that was a guy breaking the one way. That's a trappy. You don't know we in the trap.
Trappy.
Chop it to this up. Coming up to the trap. Alright. We're back at the school. Yeah, kids coming from school. American life. You gotta always be up. No time for rest. Guys, as I said, I want to make life nice. So basically that's it. So I'm gonna get an answer from that. No matter what they go on. If we're not nice, I'm not have to worry about what they go on. Yeah, guys, I have to jump out of the car and walk. Because this traffic crazy, because you know, in America, once you're late, a problem. So you have to work, pick up on the kids. That's why a lot of people really have a tough decision. I hard for them decide if they want to have kids. But it's hard. It's just easy. Just get a job, 7 to 3, pick up the kids, 3:20. And that's it. So the school, eh? Go over. Hey, yeah, guys. And then you have to stand up here, sir. You gotta stand right here and get your kids. You can't enter the school. Some school you can, but all depends if it is public or private.
Second grade, right?
Yeah. Coming out, guys. That's it right there. Jordans, everything. That's my. Let's go pick up. Yeah. How was school? You sure? So you did good in school today?
The test I got
Will you get on your test?
the highest score.
And that's the highest score?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna treat you. We're gonna go make some lot of things today because you and Shorten already get his grades and he all have A's. So and you get the highest too? Oh boy, that's brilliant. How was school today?
Good. I got everything right. And I didn't get in trouble today.
Oh, let me video. Walk with me. Yeah. What happened?
I got everything right and I didn't get in trouble. And my teacher said yesterday I was the star student.
Oh wow, that's good news for everyone. You're all doing good. We're gonna have a treat today.
I think I'm the next star student.
Wow. See? Guys, kids is a blessing. They're the future for tomorrow.
Big light on the paper that she gave us.
Oh wow. That's beautiful. Here's Shaniqua right here. There you go. Yeah, that's some good news.
Yeah.
Oh,
So now we have to.
no, I told you we're gonna go to the thing and get some and treat them.
Yeah, we gotta.
But Dante, that's very great. Binky, they're marvelous. Binky say, I think I'm gonna be the next star student of the school.
That's what I'm talking about, Binky.
Yeah. Guys, America based upon work, family, and fun. That's it. Anything out of the line, only no problem.
Make sure you treat your kids when they do something good.
Work, family, and fun. You never say friend, family. Work, family. Yeah, so heading to the grocery store now, guys. Get some Nixes. Knicks-knacks.
He did math and science, and he did ELA
Alright.
and gym.
Can upload this right away as I go.
Alright.
Yeah, guys, so stay tuned. Catch you when we reach at the grocery store. Guys, one more through the trap. Chop, chop. Yeah, guys, Friday. Just leave from the car wash too. And them. Yeah, man. Hey guys, over there, that's where they build these buildings for the homeless, which is considered the projects. So if you ever hear anyone say they're from the projects, they're that's it. That's the height. You see? Let me just keep out edit. Yeah, Fort Bridge. Now we going in the heart of downtown to the grocery store. Heart of downtown, friend.
I'm gonna try that story.
What's the? Every day they refurbish, demolish, and rebuild. Yeah, guys, so you don't know out of downtown, so you know the thing said. People are waiting on the bus. Guys, me have a story. I go on a store yesterday. Buy the phone from about a week and a half. Return back two of them.
There go the store right there, guys.
The guy repaired the phone and wanted to give it to me. I said, no, I bought a brand new phone. I don't want you to open it. Why you unscrewing the phone? It's not refurbished. It should be new. The guy got so upset. Wanted to knock me out. But, you know, I don't know if he could do that, but we ain't about that, guys. That's a police station. Right there.
The college guy.
The record look like they're going to tow a car.
They are. You see this area?
Mm-hmm. That's motor vehicle. Yeah, guys, we have a vlog with Shanika, but she's scared. She don't love talk.
The sleep time is killing you.
Yeah, guys, about to soon reach at this market. The school is like 15 minutes away, guys, but honestly, it's an hour. You know what I mean? Oh, no. Yeah, guys, we're at the grocery store. So,
In the night where thoughts collide, I feel your presence by my side. A melody that calls my name. You play my heart like a
we'll make some burgers.
when we dance, it's like a dream. Every heartbeat, a silent scream. Fighting battles in the dark, but your eyes, they spark a fire. In the night where thoughts collide, I feel your presence by my side. A
They're picking up
melody.
their stuff, guys. I just let them pick what they want.
You play my heart like a sweet refrain. When we dance, it's like a dream. Every heartbeat, a silent scream.
Bananas.
Nose in the dark, but your eyes, they spark a fire. A spark.
89 cents.
Together we rise. Nothing can break us now. Love on the brain, it
Yeah,
runs
guys.
deep in the
Burger
silence. The secrets we keep. Every moment with you is a rain. In this rhythm, I'm lost, feel the gain.
Yeah, guys, we getting the ground beef to make them food.
Have a good day.
Yeah, guys, we're gonna get some ice cream and hot dog, cheese. Guys, they think they slick. They drop in the egg prices. Those stuff was for $12. People top by. Woo. Cheddar cheese beef. Alright, guys. Yeah, guys. So we're about to get the ice cream. They have a lot of frozen food, but you know, we like to get to the pot. The gang is out. Alright, we have the ice cream right here. Guys, the ice cream, they're easy. So which one of these you guys need? You want the vanilla, the chocolate, The vanilla, right? So they're gonna take this one. Yeah, guys. So I can see. Yeah, guys. Leaving the supermarket. So we are going to Family Dollar now, and that's where you buy household items like toiletry. So we're heading over here. So stay tuned. You tell me everything when we come back. Yeah, guys. You know, when I come in a Family Dollar, I mess around nothing, because you see that? Man, they will up here and lift up here for the ground. You hear that? Family Dollar, guys. You can't lose once you go to Family Dollar. Bargain. Shop right, price right. Downtown, Kingston. Price right. Half a tree. Straight in Mobile. Parade. Yeah, guys, yeah, look for me. Toiletry, to get everything on yourself. Anything, this detergent, laundry detergent, clothes basket, iron board, rocks. Ah! Almost lost her. Yeah, even person in the wheel, you could drive in. That's a Tesla. Yeah, we're about to hit the cashier, guys. We ain't lingering. Leave. Yeah, guys. Family Dollar, frozen, ice cream, bros, waffles. They all got it. Budget wise, budget friendly.
In this love, nothing's ever in vain.
Wait, they 2 for 6.
Yeah, guys, so stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. As you don't know, Greens Family TV, lifestyle, Family Dollar.